Exciting times are here at PT, MULIA USAHA BERSAMA. We are proud to unveil two cutting-edge machines, set to transform our production process and enhance efficiency, ensuring we continue to deliver the highest quality to our customers.
Our new machines, the Forte Filter Rod Maker Line and T10 Tray Filler, boost production with advanced features. The Forte produces up to 5,000 rods per minute with touchscreen controls and low maintenance. The T10 handles 12,000 units per minute and offers flexible, standalone or integrated operation. PT MULIA USAHA BERSAMA, widely known as MUB, is a trusted manufacturer of high-quality filter rods for cigarette factories across Southeast Asia, with a robust monthly production capacity exceeding 100 million rods. MUB plays a key role in supporting the region's tobacco industry. Our commitment to excellence is upheld through the hard work of our dedicated team, rigorous quality control processes, and a strong focus on continuous research and development. Every product we deliver is crafted to meet the highest standards, ensuring customer satisfaction and helping our clients succeed. By consistently enhancing both product performance and service quality, we will soon obtain ISO 9001 to 2015, the global standard for quality and customer satisfaction. With commitment and passion, we maintain the highest quality standards. PT MULIA USAHA BERSAMA, quality filters for a better cigarette.